Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you share your Snapchat Bitmoji to your friends. So let's start up the process. Open up your Snapchat, then tap on profile icon at the left top of your screen. Now here you can see your Bitmoji. You can see share my Bitmoji option at the bottom of your Bitmoji. Tap to this option. Now, here at the right bottom of the screen, you can see the option of send to. Tap on this option to send your Bitmoji to your friends. Now from here, you can send your Bitmoji to your friends. If you have any question about the whole process, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.